Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be baking a simple vanilla cake. So subscribe to my channel and let's get baking.
So the first ingredient you need are 5 eggs. So we added the 5 eggs and we added some vanilla. We're going to add 2 cups of sugar. Added 1 cup of melted butter. We're going to mix them all together. Mix it all together. You need 2.5 cups of flour and 3 tablespoons of baking powder. After you're mixing the flour and the baking powder, you're going to add in about 1.5 cup of milk. So now I added the powder and the oil to the pan, and I'm going to add half of my batter into the pan, but the other half I'm going to add to it cocoa powder, so this part is optional. I mixed the cocoa powder with my batter. I added the batter into the pan with the normal batter. Then we added all the chocolate, and it tastes really good.
Please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!